The 2025 Yamaha RD500 V4 is here, and it's nothing short of a two-wheeled masterpiece, merging heritage with modern engineering in a way that will make any motorcycle enthusiast's heart race. This machine is a bold reimagining of Yamaha's iconic RD500 lineage from the 1980s, a bike that defined a generation of sport riders with its Grand Prix-inspired V4 two-stroke engine. In 2026, the American market finally gets its hands on this Reborn legend, and Yamaha has gone all out to make sure it doesn't just rely on nostalgia, it dominates the present. At first glance, the new RD500 V4 is a striking visual statement. Its bodywork is sharp, aggressive, and unmistakably modern, but if you look closely, you'll notice subtle nods to its heritage: the dual headlights, the sleek tail section, and the compact fairing design inspired by Yamaha's race machines. The paint schemes available for 2026 include a classic red and white Yamaha racing livery, a deep metallic blue, and a stealthy matte black that's perfect for riders who like to keep things understated but menacing. The fit and finish are premium throughout, from the precision welded frame to the high-quality paintwork and carbon fiber accents. Underneath that gorgeous bodywork lies the heart of the beast, a modernized 500cc V4 engine. But this isn't just a rehash of the old two-stroke, it's a cutting-edge powerplant that combines Yamaha's MotoGP engineering know-how with advanced electronics. This V4 is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and optimized for performance while meeting modern emission standards. It revs incredibly high, delivering a razor-sharp throttle response that makes the bike feel alive in your hands. With around 120 horsepower in a machine weighing just over 400 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio is phenomenal, offering blistering acceleration that can pin you to the seat in every gear. The exhaust system is a work of art in itself. Yamaha has kept the distinctive underseat twin-pipe layout that fans remember, but now it's crafted from titanium for weight savings and improved heat dissipation. The sound is intoxicating, an aggressive, raspy scream at high RPMs that instantly takes you back to the golden era of two-stroke racing, but with a cleaner, more refined edge thanks to modern engineering. It's the kind of soundtrack that makes every ride an event. The chassis is just as impressive as the engine. Yamaha has developed a lightweight aluminum frame that offers the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility for aggressive cornering. Fully adjustable Öhlins suspension front and rear gives riders the ability to fine-tune their setup for track days or spirited street riding. The geometry of the bike is dialed in for razor-sharp handling, quick to turn and yet stable at high speeds, making it equally comfortable attacking tight mountain roads or stretching its legs on a straightaway. Braking is handled by top-tier Brembo components, dual 320mm discs up front with radial-mounted calipers and a single disc in the rear. The brakes have phenomenal bite and feel, aided by Yamaha's cornering ABS system that works seamlessly in the background to keep you in control without intruding on the ride. A slipper clutch and quickshifter come standard, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes without upsetting the chassis. Technology plays a huge role in the 2025 RD500 V4's appeal. The bike comes equipped with a full suite of rider aids, including multiple ride modes, adjustable traction control, launch control, wheelie control, and engine braking management. The 6-axis IMU constantly monitors the bike's position and movement, ensuring that all of these systems react instantly to changing conditions. The TFT display is crisp, colorful, and fully customizable, giving riders all the information they need at a glance while also integrating smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and music control. Ergonomically, the RD500 V4 strikes a smart balance between sporty aggression and everyday usability. The clip-on handlebars and rear set footpegs put you in a commanding position for spirited riding, but the seat is comfortable enough for longer journeys. At just over 32 inches in height, the seat accommodates a wide range of riders, and the narrow midsection makes it easy to grip the bike with your knees. Yamaha has also given attention to the small details that make a big difference. LED lighting all around not only looks modern but improves visibility. The mirrors are aerodynamic yet functional, and the controls have a premium feel that's often missing in many sport bikes. The fuel tank holds enough for decent range, and with the engine's efficiency improvements over the old two-strokes, you won't be making constant fuel stops. On the road, the 2025 Yamaha RD500 V4 is pure adrenaline. The engine's power delivery is instant, surging forward with every twist of the throttle. The chassis communicates every detail of the road to the rider, giving you the confidence to push harder into corners. The suspension keeps the bike planted, even when leaned over aggressively, and the brakes allow you to dive deep into turns with total control. This is a bike that rewards skill and precision, yet its electronics ensure that even less experienced riders can enjoy it safely. On the track, the RD500 V4 is a revelation. The V4 engine's linear powerband and screaming top end make it feel like a MotoGP bike for the road. The quickshifter keeps you in the powerband without interruption, and the slipper clutch keeps everything smooth when downshifting hard into corners. With the suspension dialed in, the bike feels like it's on rails, tracking perfectly through every apex. The advanced electronics allow you to tailor the bike's behavior to your exact preferences, whether you want maximum intervention for a safety net or minimal intrusion for a raw, unfiltered ride. In terms of competition, Yamaha has positioned the RD500 V4 to stand out in the American market. While there are plenty of superbikes available in 2026, few offer this combination of historical significance, cutting-edge performance, and emotional appeal. This isn't just another leader-class machine chasing top-speed figures, this is a motorcycle with character, one that speaks to the soul of riding while delivering the technology and performance expected today. Pricing for the American market in 2026 puts the RD500 V4 in the premium middleweight sportbike category, making it a tempting option for riders who want something truly special without going into the extreme superbike price range. Yamaha also offers a range of accessories, including performance exhaust